Hello. Yesterday also provide this question, but I don't get any response. So I will try to understand you. This problem is very important to you because this type of question also comes in your syllabus exam. Okay. इसकी ज़रूरत है. So first of all, we draw the figure of this required value. Okay. Yesterday also we see that which type of concentrated loading are present in figure. This one is the concentrated loading. ओके ऐसे फॉर्म बनाया जाता है concentrated लोडिंग का. सो वही पहले हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे इस फिगर को. व्हाट से एक्चुअली इन अ क्वेश्चन 1000 मीटर लॉन्ग. ओके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम ड्रॉ a line. Suppose this is the AC and this is the 100 meters long. Okay, there are 3 loading 1 2 3. Okay, and the distance from feeding point is 250 750 and 1000. So it is the divided by 3 parts, 3 division or portion. Okay, here also one portion, here also one portion, and also with the here one also, and this portion is 1000 meter distance. Okay, this portion 1000 meter. So this one is the 250 meter and load is 100 ampere, and this one is the 750 meter. That's mean this one is 500 and this one is 250, so total 750. Okay, and load is 200 ampere, and this one is the 1000. That's mean this one 500, this one 250, and this portion will be the 250 meter. Okay, and this load is 300 meter. Okay, the question say that the resistance of each conductor is 0.025 ohm per 1000 meter. Okay, so 0.025 ohm per 1000 meter, and so what is, suppose this point is C, this point is D. Okay, so what is the resistance of point AC? How do we calculate the point AC resistance? 0.025 in 1000 meter, so 250 meter, that's mean divided by 4. Okay, divided by 4, so we get the 250 meter distance, actual value of the resistance of this distance. Okay, so first of all we draw and we also calculate the other process. By which process? 250 is the volt, so I is equal to V by R. Okay, and we also know the voltage and resistance. Okay, RAV are needed, so R is the V by I. Okay, V by I. In this process we also calculate the value of this portion resistance. Okay, so first of all we calculate RAV, that's mean resistance of RAC. Okay, resistance of this portion. So what is the resistance of this portion? We know that 0.25 is present in 1000 meter. So 0.025 is the present 1000 meter, and the total distance is how much? This one is the 250 meter. Okay, 250 meter into, if we see that this is the only single line diagram, but it is the, if it's positive wire, then also with the negative wire also the present, otherwise the circuit is not completed for load. Okay, 2 wire are present, but we also actually showing you a single line diagram. Okay, so if we see that both wire resistance, okay, both wire, that's mean a complete circuit, positive and resistive. The question also is show the a distribution long loaded is under, means the loaded is connected, so means the positive and negative both wire are connected of this circuit, so both wire resistance are needed to calculate. Okay, so to if you calculate this one, so this one is the cancel out, and 0.25 into 2 50, that's mean 1 point, this value is getting 0.0125 ohm. Okay, you can calculate also in this process also. 1000 is 0.025, 1000, and then what is a 25 by 4, these values are coming. Next we calculate the value of C, B and D. Okay, value of B and D, sorry, C and D, value of this portion. Okay, so we also calculate the two wire value of resistance. Okay, both wire RCD. Okay, then what is the RCD of this distance is how much? 500 millimeter. That's mean 0.25 divided by 2, I think 500. Okay, into 2, because 2 wire. Okay, this is the single wire for single wire, or other process. In this process we also calculate 0.025 by 1000 into 500 meter into 2 wire. Okay, so if we calculate it comes out 0.02020 cancel out, 500 110 10 into 250 by 10, 1 0 is here also, 0.025. okay, 0.0251. and we also calculate the resistance of dB, both wire value of R dB. That's mean this one is cancel out, and 2.5, that's mean 0.004 into 250 by 0.004, that's mean it's come out 0.0125, something is came out. So if we calculate the current, okay, the section current, we also see that yesterday class also see that here is the current is the most in this portion, because this I1 I2 I3 I4 I5 total are flow by this portion. Okay, here also the current is second largest of this loop. Okay, because 1 2 3 5 these 4 current are flow by this portion. Okay, so we also see that this is the 100 ampere 200 and 300, both current are flow by this portion. Okay, so what is the total current of this portion A and C? 100 200 and 300, so total 1600 ampere current flow in this portion. In this portion how much current flow? This 200 and this 300, so 500 ampere current, and this portion is flow only 300 ampere. Okay, this portion also flow only 300 ampere current. Next we see that the voltage drop of this portion. Okay, what is the voltage drop of this portion? How we calculate the voltage drop of this portion? Suppose here also a voltage is fading, and there also the loss is present. So if the loss is subtract from this voltage, so we can get a voltage here. Okay, what is the supply voltage is this fading point, the maintain at 250 volt. Okay, here also the supply voltage is maintained. Okay, here the supply voltage is 250 volt. Okay, so voltage drop at load point C. Okay, without load point C. So what is the voltage of a load point D? This is supply voltage, suppose VA minus voltage drop in section AB. Okay, voltage drop in section AC. Okay, this section voltage drop. So here is the 250 volt, and this portion is voltage drop is how much? We also see that this portion voltage drop is how much? IA into RA V equal to IR, or IA into IAC into RAC. Okay, current is how much? 600. Okay, so 600 into, we also calculate the RAC, this portion resistance. So what is the value? 0.0125. Okay, so we can easily calculate the voltage drop of this portion. I think this value is 400 to 5 volt. Okay, so we can calculate also the value of CD. Okay, point CD, voltage drop, point CD. This one is the same. This is right or wrong for this portion voltage here? This is the wrong. 250 volt we don't get here also get 242.5 volt, because the drop is here also. So here is the voltage comes 242.5 volt, and also the here also the IR drop present. Okay, this IR drop also present. So here is the supply volt in this portion is 242.5 volt. Okay, then the loss are present here. Okay, the loss is how much? 500, this 500 meter, and we also calculate the value 500 into 0.025. Okay, so this value is how much? 230 volt. So which is the supply voltage of this portion here? This 230 volt. Okay, not 250 volt, because the two drops are also added of this 250 volt, or sorry, we also minus the 250 volt. Okay, two drop. So voltage drop point dV is how much? 230 volt minus this drop, that's mean 250, sorry IR, that's mean 300 ampere current, and the drop, that's mean this one. Okay, 0.0125. so this is how much? This is 226.25 volt. So we see that also yesterday class I also telling you that the current is decreasing and voltage also decreasing from load, from this feeding point to away point. Okay, here also the current value, this load current value is increases. Okay, this 300, 200, 100 ampere, this load current increases, and the value of voltages is decreases, because we also see that here also 242 volt, here also 230 volt. Okay, and here also the 226 volt. Okay, this value. Okay, so from feeding point to away point the voltage is decreases and current value is increases. Okay, thank you.